welcome to my channel Swapnil Codes. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a wonderful HTML login form using Bootstrap. So let's begin. I'm using StackBlitz Cloud Code Editor. You can use any code editor you want. If you're using VS Code, that's totally fine. Sublime, Atom, anything, any code editor you want, you can use. So I'm going to use the Cloud Code Editor. So I'm just going to get a HTML boilerplate. If you're using VS Code, just press Shift and 1 and press Enter. You will get this boilerplate, and I'm just going to start the coding. So in the title tag, I'm going to write login form, and in the body section for writing code, let's add Bootstrap CDN because we are going to use the Bootstrap in this project. So open a new tab and search for Bootstrap. Okay. Go to this getbootstrap.com website. This is the official website of Bootstrap framework. Click on it and click on the read docs. And here you will see CDN link is here for the CSS. Just copy it and paste it below the title tag. Before pasting, let's add a comment bootstrap cdn link, and let's paste it out here. So we have successfully integrated the bootstrap. Let's create a div and add a class name container. If you are using VS Code, just type div.container. It will add the class to that div. I'm going to create another div, and the class name will be card. In this card, in this div that has card class, I'm going to add a new tag which will be form tag. Press enter, and the action will be empty. Method will be post. This is post, and let's add some two input field, one for username or email and another for password. So let's create code for that. Input type will be text, class will be form dash control, and the placeholder will be username username or email, and going to close this. Okay, the first input field has been created. Let's create another for password input, and the type will be password, and class will be form dash control, and placeholder will be password. Let's close this self-closing tag as well. Just this one. Let's add button down here. Button tag. Type will type will be submit, and the classes will be BTN primary. If you go to the Bootstrap, okay, right, title to that tag. If you go to the Bootstrap in the component section, you will see buttons here. Okay, these are the primary, secondary. Here's the code for all these buttons, so you can use any color you want. Okay, we have gone this far. Let's give some spacing to the card. I'm going to add padding from top, bottom, left, right, from the all the sides. Okay, so I'm just give p-4. It will give me a padding. Let's see, we have got some padding from all the sides. Let's add some vertical spacing from the input fields. Just I'm going to add a new class to uh, passwords input field, that will be my-3. Give us a margin or the vertical spacing from between the input fields. So let's add a title, that will be h1 and the title will be login form, and it's going to add some margin bottom to this title, and the class I'm going to use is dash. Okay, see, we have got some spacing between our login form and our input field. So let's add some uh, margin top to the card 25. So there we are, guys. We have created a wonderful login form using HTML. So let's write some dummy data. So nil codes @gmail.com. This is not my real email address, so this is totally fake. And I'm just going to add a password 12345. So that's all for today, guys. If you like the video, please share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out my channel's playlist. Okay, here are the playlists that containing other videos related to the web development, Flutter development, and Laravel development. We have I have some tutorials related to React as well, so please do check them all. Here's the playlist containing JavaScript tutorials, car section, login and registration form, landing pages, Bootstrap frameworks, and so on. So thank you, guys. Thank you so much.